Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a pan-fed Fitzpatrick DA06 hammer mill. All stainless steel contacts, has the knife edge blunt side blades, as most of you may know. It has fully jacketed bearings, a jacketed housing as well. Of course the feed throat and gravity feed system. As you know, the rotor is reversible. When you want to change and use a different type blade, you can rotate it completely around. This particular unit was operated through a foot pedal. So the operator would keep the mill engaged while he was loading material down the throat for the grinding process. It's got a few screens with it. It does have a carbon steel frame. We can offer reconditioning on this unit if you're interested. We have lots of mills, processing equipment, packaging as well in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.